Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. The first two are two that I wish we didn't have to have. Does that sound weird? It's true though, because let me just show you and then I'll explain. So this is an awareness ribbon, and it's a fold-it, and awareness ribbons are used for like cancer or autism or anything depending on what color they are, right? And sadly, we need to have this just because, you know, it's important that we acknowledge these items. The next item that I have, and I have a lot of samples to show you on this one. The next item I named True Warrior for the stamps because I thought back to a friend that was fighting breast cancer, and she beat it. Yay, prayers answered. But I tried to come up with words and sayings that I tried to say to her back then. And so here we go. It says, I'm here for you every step of the way. Keep fighting. You've got this. Faith over fear. We are praying. I am praying. You are not alone. You're on my mind and in my heart, and you are a true warrior. Now, this could be for cancer, but it could be for like anybody fighting some type of health issue, right? It really could be for anything. And, you know, I just think it's important that when somebody's dealing with something like that, that we acknowledge it, that we know they're going through a rough time, and we acknowledge that, and we tell them, hey, I'm here for you. I can help you. What can I do to help you? Don't not say anything. That's the worst thing to do, is not say anything. It's important to let people know that they are not alone, right? And that's why this stamp set is important. Now, moving on, we have two other items. One of them you did get to see a sneak peek of, and let me just tell you, I love it. And I want you to get the adhesive sheets to go with it. Now, what am I talking about? I'm going to just show you this so you can really see. It is a swirly chain background for A2. And look at that black die. Is that just like stunning in that background? And I just absolutely love how beautiful it is. But you could also do it tone on tone, white on white, and look how gorgeous that is. Here's another one with it in pink. I absolutely love how fun that is. Now it can also go vertical. It could go horizontal. I have a couple samples to show you, but I wanted you to see how gorgeous and stunning it is. Last but not least is a new one, and it's fun. We're going to start doing this as one of the things that we release almost every month. It's called Stand and Say, because it's standing up and it's saying something. So this one is a stand and say, lucky to know you. And it is vertical. It does fit on a gatefold side panel, and so much more. So let's jump in. Let's look at our samples, and then I'm going to kind of show you more. So here we go. Here is that awareness ribbon on a 5x7 card. Look at how beautiful this is. If you were in the hospital or if you were fighting something, wouldn't that just brighten your day? So beautiful. Keep fighting. You've got this. I absolutely love that. You could also go more simple and just have the ribbon itself. It could also be a stand-up if you wanted it to, just to remind people that yes, you are thinking of them. This one says faith over fear, we are praying. Isn't that beautiful? Here's another one that is also on the more simple side, just so people know you are thinking of them. You can also make a little tag, you are not alone. Still fits in an A2 size envelope. Oh, look how pretty this one is. Oh, look at that flower. That flower is from the double window A2 flower die. Flower card. Look at that. Keep fighting. You've got this. Oh, what about in foil, my friends? What an important way to do it. Look at that, beautiful, with that beautiful foil on there, or with a pretty background die in the background. So important. Again, it is so important. I don't care how you do it, but you need to reach out to people that are hurting, that need help, that need your love. Here's another one on another 5x7 decal edge. Look at how beautiful that is. Faith over fear. And you can even go a little simple if you want to and just do faith over fear on the front. So beautiful, right? You can write a nice message inside. Now let's look at more of those swirly chains, because let me just tell you, you guys, I love them so much. Here it is horizontal. Right? Am I right? Look, it's like you could go horizontal or vertical. Here's another one with our cute little garden bunny whom I'm madly in love with. I just think she's so cute. Look at her little carrots and that background. It just takes a card that's to a card that's wow, just by adding that die set on the back. Oh, look at that. Using that little tiny extra piece, cutting that separately. I love it. Now let's look at the Luckies because first of all, yes, it fits on a mini slimline. Isn't that awesome? Yes, it fits on an A2 size card. Look at that. Look how fun that is on an A2. Yes, it fits on our bookmark die. Look at that. Yes, we do have a bookmark die. You probably have it. If you don't, yes, you can get it on our website. Look at that. Or here's another mini slimline. Love that. Here is another A2 size card. Love it. And then, are you ready for this one? This one probably knocked my socks off the most. Besides the bookmark. I love the bookmark. But look at this one. Gatefold. Remember I told you it could fit on a gatefold? But you could do it a little differently. You could kind of break it up a little bit and say, lucky to know you. And then you can open it up. Look at that. Look at that. Gatefold. Gatefold. Go check out my video on the gatefold card because it's so awesome how you can do that cutout like that. Isn't that fantastic? Club members, I know you get the discounts. You have been around, you know the deal. A lot of you are lifers. You've been around a long time. You're in all the clubs. But if you are not in one of our clubs, you need to join. You can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set being sent to you automatically. So there's no real fees involved because you're just paying for that stamp set to be sent to you. And then you get 15% off of my website every single day, every single item, every single order. And you get club points, you get an anniversary gift certificate, and when you stay in a year, and every couple months I like to send out freebies. Because I like to think, if I was in a club, what would I like as a club member? And that's what I do. That's what I do. It's kind of one of the cool things about owning your own company. You can kind of do pretty much whatever you want as long as it's legal. And giving you free stuff is legal. So yay! Okay? Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch that video. Check it out and see, and let me tell you, you're going to find some fun stuff. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.